Hello, my name is Steve, and I'm going to be your nurse today. Let me just check your information. What is your name, please? And your date of birth. Okay, do you have any allergies to anything? Perfect. Have you used the restroom recently? Oh, you did? Okay, good. Perfect. Supine position. I'm going to put a pillow under your hip just to elevate a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit of pressure on your stomach, right over here. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to locate some of the body parts of the baby. Awesome, the feet are right above, right there. Okay, now I'm going to put a little more using the other hand, okay? Just trying to find the baby's back. Perfect. Okay, now it's going to feel a little pinch. Awesome, perfect. Okay. All I'm doing now is just checking for the baby's head to see if it's engaged. Now I'm going to listen to some of the heart sounds. I'm going to put a little bit of jelly on this. Another from the back. Do you hear that? The baby sounds? It's the heartbeat. Awesome. So that's 140 per minute, which is beautiful for the baby. Okay, and we're all done. I'm gonna cover you up again. Ask if you're comfortable. Then leave the room. Perform hand hygiene. Lower your bed. Make sure your call light is there. And we're done. Thank you very much for your help today.